Time is a funny thing. It's the one resource that is equally distributed to everyone, yet it often feels like there's never enough of it. We all get the same 24 hours in a day, no more, no less. But how we use those hours can make all the difference in the world. Yet some people seem to do it all. They manage to balance work, studies, hobbies and social life seamlessly. They excel in their studies, pursue passions and still have time for fun. What's their secret? How do they manage to fit so much into their day? Often it boils down to one thing: mastering time management. This skill is not just about being busy. It's about being productive and making every moment count. Think of time as your most valuable possession. Unlike material possessions, time is something you can never get back once it's gone. It's more precious than money because you can't earn more time. Every second that passes is a second you can never reclaim. Once it's gone, it's gone. This makes it crucial to use your time wisely and intentionally. But here's the good news. You have the power to make the most of every minute. By setting clear goals and priorities, you can maximize your productivity. By learning to manage your time effectively, you unlock incredible potential in your life. You can achieve more than you ever thought possible. Time management is especially crucial for learners like you. With so many responsibilities, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. Juggling classes, assignments, and maybe even a part-time job is challenging, but it's not impossible. But with the right strategies, you can find a balance that works for you. Tools like planners, calendars, and to-do lists can help you stay organized and focused. You can achieve your academic goals without feeling overwhelmed. By mastering time management, you can create a fulfilling and balanced life. Time management isn't about cramming every second with tasks. It's about making conscious choices with your time. It's about designing a schedule that aligns with your goals and values. When you manage your time well, you reduce stress and increase productivity. Imagine feeling calm and in control, even during busy periods. Picture yourself approaching deadlines with confidence, knowing you've allocated your time wisely. This is the power of effective time management. It's about working smarter, not harder. It's about prioritizing what truly matters and letting go of what doesn't serve you. This might mean saying no to distractions or delegating tasks when possible. Remember, you're in the driver's seat of your own time. Before you can manage your time, you need to know what's worth managing. Take some time to reflect on your values and goals. What's most important to you in this season of life? Is it academic success, personal growth, spending time with loved ones, or something else entirely? Once you have a clear understanding of your priorities, you can start making decisions that align with them. This means learning to say no to things that don't support your goals, even if they seem tempting in the moment. It's okay to decline invitations or put certain activities on hold if they're derailing you from what truly matters. Remember, your time and energy are precious resources. Invest them wisely. Now that you know your priorities, it's time to create a roadmap for your time. This is where planning comes in. Start by getting a clear overview of your commitments. Write down all your classes, work hours, social events, and any other regular activities. Next, block out time for essential tasks like studying, assignments, and personal care. Be realistic about how long things take. It's easy to underestimate, so add a buffer to your estimates. Don't forget to schedule in downtime. Rest and relaxation are crucial for productivity and overall well-being. Treat your downtime like any other important appointment and protect it. Section 5. Time blocking, your secret weapon for productivity. Time blocking is a powerful technique that takes planning to the next level. It's a method that can transform the way you manage your time and tasks. It involves assigning specific blocks of time in your schedule for particular tasks. This means you dedicate certain hours of your day to focus solely on one activity. For example, you might block out Monday from 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. for studying history. This ensures that you have uninterrupted time to dive deep into your subject. Similarly, you could reserve Wednesday from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. for working on your English essay. This way, you can focus on your writing without any distractions. The key is to treat these time blocks as non-negotiable appointments. Just like you wouldn't miss a meeting with your boss, you shouldn't skip these time slots. Avoid scheduling anything else during these times. This means saying no to impromptu meetings or casual chats. Stick to your plan as much as possible. Consistency is crucial for time blocking to be effective. Time blocking helps you stay focused and avoid multitasking. When you concentrate on one task at a time, you can work more efficiently and produce better results. Multitasking can actually decrease your productivity. It splits your attention and makes it harder to complete tasks effectively. Time blocking also gives you a sense of accomplishment as you check off completed tasks from your schedule. Seeing your progress can be incredibly motivating and can help you stay on track. Section 6. Tools of the trade calendars, apps and more. Thankfully, we live in a time where countless tools can help you manage your time effectively. Experiment with different options and find what works best for you. Traditional calendars are great for getting a visual overview of your week or month. Use different colored pens to categorize tasks or appointments. Digital calendars and apps offer features like reminders, to-do lists, and the ability to sync across devices. Explore popular options like Google Calendar, Apple Calendar, Todoist, and Asana. Section 7. The Pomodoro Technique, conquering tasks in short bursts. Sometimes, even with a well-structured schedule, it's hard to stay focused for long periods. This is where the Pomodoro Technique comes in handy. This method involves working on a task for a set amount of time, typically 25 minutes, followed by a short break of 5 minutes. After every 4 Pomodoros, take a longer break of 15 to 20 minutes. This technique is particularly helpful for tasks that require sustained focus, like studying or writing. The built-in breaks help prevent burnout and keep your mind fresh. Section 8. Real-world success, stories of time management masters. You're not alone on this journey to mastering time management. Countless successful students and professionals have used these principles to achieve incredible things. Take, for example, Bill Gates, co-founder of Microsoft. He's known for his meticulous time management skills, scheduling his day in 5-minute increments. Or consider Oprah Winfrey, media mogul and philanthropist. She credits her success in part to her disciplined approach to time management, prioritizing her well-being and scheduling time for reflection. These individuals demonstrate that effective time management is a key ingredient in achieving remarkable results. Section 9. Finding your rhythm, experiment and adapt. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all approach to time management. Each individual has unique needs and preferences. What works for one person might not work for another. It's essential to recognize that your journey is personal and distinct. The key is to experiment with different methods, tools and techniques to discover what suits your learning style and lifestyle best. Try out various apps, planners and systems. Don't be afraid to adjust your approach as needed. Flexibility is crucial in finding what truly works for you. Life is constantly changing, and your time management strategies should evolve with you. As your responsibilities and priorities shift, so should your methods. Be kind to yourself throughout the process. Self-compassion is vital as you navigate through trial and error. Mastering time management is a journey, not a destination. It's about continuous improvement and learning. There will be days when you feel on top of your schedule and others when it feels like everything is falling apart. Both are part of the process. The important thing is to keep learning, adapting and striving for progress, not perfection. Celebrate your small victories and learn from your setbacks. Section 10. Embrace the journey, time management for a fulfilling life. Mastering time management is a gift you give yourself. It's about creating space for the things that matter most, reducing stress, and living a more fulfilling life. As you implement these strategies and make conscious choices about your time, you'll be amazed at what you can achieve. You'll find more time for your studies, your passions, and the people you love. Remember, you are capable of incredible things. Take control of your time and unlock your full potential. The world is waiting to witness what you'll accomplish.